Welcome to Use Academy. In this video we will tell you about the Chapter 10 Our Solar System of Class 5 of SIND textbook board, which is very important in the one paper exam, so let's start the video. Chapter 10 Our Solar System. What is the center of our solar system? The Sun. How many planets are there in our solar system? 8. Planets revolve around the Sun in fixed paths called orbits. The Sun is a type of what celestial body? Star. The shape of the Earth's orbit around the Sun is elliptical. Which planet has no moon? Mercury and Venus. Which planet supports life? Earth. Which planet has the highest mountain? Olympus Mons. Mars. Which planet has the Great Red Spot? Jupiter. What is the Great Red Spot? A giant storm on Jupiter. Which planet is famous for its beautiful rings? Saturn. Which planet rotates on its side? Uranus. Which is the coldest planet in the solar system? Neptune. Which planet takes the shortest time to orbit the Sun? Mercury, 88 days. Which planet takes the longest time to orbit the Sun? Neptune, 165 years. Which planet has a day longer than its year? Venus. Which planet is known as the blue planet? Earth. Which planet is second from the Sun? Venus. Which planet is fourth from the Sun? Mars. Which planet is fifth from the Sun? Jupiter. Which planet is sixth from the Sun? Saturn. Which planet is seventh from the Sun? Uranus. Which planet is eighth from the Sun? Neptune. What causes day and night on Earth? Rotation of Earth on its axis. What causes seasons on Earth? Revolution of Earth around the Sun and tilt of its axis. Which planet has the strongest magnetic field? Jupiter. Which planet has the fastest rotation? Jupiter. Which planet has the slowest rotation? Venus. Which planet is known for extreme winds and storms? Neptune. Which planet has methane gas giving it a greenish-blue color? Uranus. Which planet was discovered using a telescope? Neptune. Which is the largest moon in the solar system? Ganymede, of Jupiter. Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? Mercury. Which planet glows brightest in the sky after the moon? Venus. Which planet has water in liquid form? Earth. Which planet is called Earth's twin? Venus. Which planet's atmosphere contains mostly carbon dioxide? Venus. Which planet's atmosphere is mostly nitrogen and oxygen? Earth. Which planet's atmosphere has reddish dust? Mars. What are small rocky bodies orbiting the Sun called? Asteroids. What are icy bodies that orbit the Sun called? Comets. Where is the asteroid belt located? Between Mars and Jupiter. What are meteoroids? Small rocks or particles moving in space. What is a meteor? A meteoroid burning in Earth's atmosphere. What is a meteorite? A meteor that lands on Earth's surface. What is the outermost layer of the Sun called? Corona. What is the middle layer of the Sun called? Chromosphere. What is the innermost part of the Sun called? Core. Which planet has 83 known moons? Saturn. Which is the second largest planet in the solar system? Saturn. Which planet was discovered in 1781 by William Herschel? Uranus. What is the color of Mars? Reddish-orange. Which planet is nearest to Earth in size? Venus. Which planet has clouds made of sulfuric acid? Venus. Which planet is known as the windy planet? Neptune. Which planet appears greenish-blue due to methane gas? Uranus. Which planet is tilted at 98 degrees on its axis? Uranus. Which planet has the shortest day? Jupiter, about 10 hours. Which planet has the longest day? Venus, 243 Earth days. Which planet is often visible in the evening or morning sky? Venus, called morning or evening star. Which is the fifth largest moon of the solar system? Earth's moon. Which planet's moon has lakes of methane? Titan. Saturn's moon. What are constellations? Groups of stars forming patterns in the sky. Name a famous constellation visible in winter. Orion. Name a famous constellation visible in summer. Ursa Major, Big Dipper. What is the Milky Way? The galaxy that contains our solar system. What is the shape of the Milky Way galaxy? Spiral. What is the nearest star to Earth after the Sun? Proxima Centauri. What keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? The Sun's gravitational pull. What is the speed of light? About 300,000 kilometers per second. Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any suggestions of the lectures, you can comment us. Keep supporting our channel.